You will be required to move to the back of the line.
Anything else that would leave your possession while riding will not be permitted to be brought in.
This is retrack, okay? Oh, okay, this bad. Riders, keep your back and enjoy your ride.
It's got like a halo effect.
I know, it's really cool. It's so pretty.
Would you ride the Seaside roller coaster? Wow. Oh shoot! You can almost touch it if you stick your hand out. Don't do it though. We're running. We're running again. Ah! And then we're back to running.
That was really good.
Your attention, please. Use the nearby lockers to secure your items prior to joining the line. Lockers are free while you ride as long as you do not exceed the first compartment.
Riders, how was that ride? Please unbuckle your seatbelt, push up on your lap bar, gather up all belongings, and exit to the left and rear of the station. Thank you for riding the Freight Nor'easter. Enjoy the rest of your stay here at